bearish market that we have to see a continuation down for lower.
Back up on my feet.
Office shopping or look for range low, and we were given range low.
The people that live here are rich motherfuckers.
Let them take a picture forever last.
Very impressed. The best fucking turkey BLT I've ever had. We got Anthony being delusional, thinking he's gonna take my women. Alrighty, okay. Good morning, boys. It is day 2 in Dubai. Kind of taking the last day to recover, rest, get back on schedule. Today we are going to attempt to record a vlog, and yes, I am completely new to this, so if this is a terrible first vlog, leave me some comments, whatever, I will work on it. I don't have a cameraman here yet, unfortunately. Little bit of issues there, but it's not gonna hold me back from this. I'm still gonna bring the content that I can. Just woke up, hit a market update to the Discord. It's currently 6 a.m. I'm gonna go hit the gym, and today should be pretty interesting. I hit a agency event last night, which was pretty cool. Actually hosted at the Burj Khalifa on the 140th floor up there. It was fire. And yeah, today my boy Lukeman is coming to grab me around 9:30. We're gonna go office shopping and potential villa shopping out here for some real estate. And yeah, I'll bring you guys with me. I'm gonna go hit the gym, bring a little edit for there as well. And yeah, we'll tally into the rest of the video. Okay, before we hit the gym, I'm gonna go hit Tim Hortons to give myself a little throwback to Canada. And I'm bringing these two chooches with me. God damn, I love life. We got Anthony being delusional, thinking he's gonna take my women.
Did you take a short?
No, I fucking just was waiting for it to come up a little higher. Well, I just want to see a liquidity sweep at like 79.5, and then I'll strike. Currently looking at this. Did post a update to the Discord this morning. If the short does give today, I will do everything live on the vlog, but we'll see how the day goes. It still looks pretty probable that we could come into the price targets, but we shall see.
Are you ready for that?
I don't care about the women. Good, the women can fucking eat a dick.
The second you talk about anything like that hates liberals, they're gonna unfollow you, bro.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This could be the best fucking turkey BLT I've ever had.
Brown guys working there?
Yep. Timmy's was secured. Is my mic recording? Yeah. I'm gonna head back to the place now, chill for like 15, go hit the gym, hit the sauna, and then, like I said, my boy's coming to pick me up around 9:30, and we'll pick the vlog up there. We've switched to the phone vlog, heading to the gymnasium. I don't know why I said it like that, but go get a pump in, hit the sauna, and yeah, we'll go from there.
You know, cutting up blue notes, so many cards in my wallet like Uno. Tryna get high, man, I really feel too low. Tell the other chicas I know something that you don't. Really make this rap shit look so easy. Now all these British teens really wanna be me. Make my own beats, now they calling me easy. Young millionaire, man, I feel like.
Alright, workout is complete. Did a little chest try. Not gonna lie, did cheat myself a little bit. It was a quick one. I'm not really feeling the greatest. But just took a shit. Gonna hop in a sauna, hop in a shower. And then the next transition to this video should be with my boy Lukeman, when we're going to visit the apartments and stuff. But with that being said, I'll give you guys a little sauna tour here. Here we got nice sauna, all to myself. There's nothing wrong with that. Make sure I got some water. No.
Maybe I'm an animal, maybe half human. Life feel like a TV show dreaming. Bass and I'm really good at bass drum moving. Face it, you won't ever see man losing.
Alright, quick little trade update here. I did post this to the Discord, letting people know that I am looking to take on a possible short from our local range high on BTC. We did get an initial reaction down, which originally I thought we were going to miss the move, but if we look at price action right now, we are starting to trade back below or back within my area to take on this buy. Basically what I'm looking at here is continuation of the local bearish market that we have to see a continuation down for lower. Obviously we're trading between our range right now between 79.3 and 74.5, and I'm going to try and short range low first TP will be around 77,000 mark, and then I will either reevaluate and see if I'm looking for a potential reversal in the market to head for higher, and or we can see this position lower. For now, I am trading more intraday, and yeah, if I do strike on this setup, I will post this within this daily update. This will be part of the video. My connection seems to not want to load, but alerts are set. We are waiting for the level. If I do strike, I will be posting this. For now, we're just chilling, enjoying the beautiful views here in Dubai. And yeah, we'll see how the day plays out. I'm about to head out here soon, waiting for my boy. And yeah. Alright, Luxman's about to pull up. We're about to go villa shopping. Looking at 3 villas today, 2 apartments, 2 offices. Should be pretty sick. We'll see what goes on, and then we'll go from there. Should be a sick day. They are more strict than ever with recording out here. It is fucking crazy, but we'll make it happen. We're gonna get the content. My boy's about to pull up. I'm waiting for him now. We're gonna go pull up to a couple of his office spaces, figure out what's going on, check some real estate, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I got the whole vlog going. Say what up.
How are you?
All right, boys. We're heading to the Opus. We're going to check out. What are we checking out?
Commercial.
Okay.
Commercial.
Fire.
Office building, business bay.
Amazing. Amazing. Yo, they're very serious with the cameras here, though. Like, they won't let me record nowhere.
I was just gonna say, I don't know if they're gonna let you record inside.
No, that's okay. That's okay. I don't need to record it. All right, we have just viewed the first commercial building. Honestly, very impressed. It is a unit that's supposed to be finished 2028, only for high network individuals. We're gonna go check out the plot right now. And then got another unit to check out as well. And then I think we're gonna go look at a couple apartments. But yeah, let's get into this.
Hey, at the party, long wheelbase range. Chances are I'll probably never see these hoes again. No face beat. That's
All right.
This here is like a hotel slash restaurant. First collection. Really, really good hotel.
Oh, this is what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the people that live here, most likely gonna have an office here.
Okay. And guaranteed that like this will be finished Q2 2028?
Over here, there's no fucking around.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't think there's much delays, really. Other than the fact is, my arm is gonna go numb holding this camera. Okay, I've just checked out. Unfortunately, I couldn't record much due to the fact that Dubai is a little crazy for recording, but we just checked out this, what would we call it? A commercial office space? Like a luxury commercial office. This is the land itself. It's 80,000 square feet. It's actually it is huge. Yeah, this isn't small, bro. Wait, is the whole thing though? Like it's not gonna be office space from this whole end to the whole end?
So this is parking. The top here is like smaller.
Okay. So I'd assume like probably where we are right now would be.
I would say a bit further.
You think?
I would say probably here.
Probably right here.
Yeah, probably here is where you're looking at those two offices.
Okay, let's walk a little down here. Honestly, once this clears up and all the construction finishes up, this will be beautiful.
This is nice.
Yeah, this is very nice.
No, but the good thing is this will never be construction here. All of this here will never be construction. No, but you don't want it to be.
No, I don't. But that's what I'm saying. But like, once this does whatever, clean up or clear up a bit.
There's one building.
Because then you'd have road access from over here as well, right? Or no?
What do you mean?
Like you could walk. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like I'm trying to say like, is it gonna stay this dead?
Yeah, it's gonna be quiet. But that's what you want in a building.
No, 1000%. Like I don't want
if
people.
If you look at it now, imagine all these buildings are already here right now. One more building isn't gonna change that.
No.
And this is peak day, like this is midday.
Yeah.
In winter.
Yeah, that's facts.
Summer, no one's out anyway.
No, you're right. That is true. To be honest, I think when this is finished, it will be something sick. And then in terms, what do you think I do? I buy one for an investment, or I buy one to use?
Depends on your situation at handover. Do you need an office at handover? If not,
Not really, but it would be sick. Like more or less just for the flex. To be like, yeah, I just bought some random office.
so you use a smaller one for yourself, just for the flex, because you don't need that much space.
No, I
And
don't.
then the bigger one you rent out.
But what do you think I could rent it out for? Like average, like whatever. I don't know what really rental prices for commercial is out here.
Okay, so I would say that's it. How much square foot is this? Around
1,200.
No, 1,200.
1,200 is the big one, 700 is the small one.
I would say give or take 5 to 600k. The dirhams.
Dirhams yearly?
Yeah.
Which is like what? Wait, 5 to 600k dirhams? Like that's probably a 6-year turnaround,
Probably about 7-8 years.
and then everything after is straight.
Yeah.
But realistically, if I were to rent out say I rented out both units, do you think I could get upwards to $1 million?
I would say if you combine them together,
Like 100,000 AED a month?
you'd get more.
Okay.
Because big offices are in more demand, like as in more value.
Yeah,
So the
yes.
bigger the office is, it's not going to double the rent. It'll like 3 times the rent or 2.5 times the rent.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because people want big offices, but not something crazy big. Because a C-level sort of executives is only going to be like maybe 10, 15, max 20 people. It's not. It's
Yeah,
not.
it's okay.
It's
No,
not
you're
a
right,
building
you're
where
right.
you have like 100 people in an office.
No, it's not like a law firm.
Yeah.
I know what you mean. Well, the property in itself is fire. And are we checking out any more? Commercial?
Residential. Commercial.
This is the only commercial.
This is the
okay.
only commercial.
Okay.
This is the only one I would say. Right. This is a good one.
No, I was just thinking before I made a whatever.
So my advice is always one commercial, one residential, maybe one commercial, one residential, or maybe 2 residential. Or
Okay.
maybe 2 commercial. One
And commercial makes more than residential.
Oh yeah, for sure. But it's not to flip. Commercial isn't to buy and then resell. Commercial is to
buy and then
keep
rent.
get a good return,
Okay.
and have access to the network.
Yeah, the net worth and everything that's included with that, which is crazy.
But then residential, you buy. If it's like a villa or something, you buy. Once you have it local, you resell.
Wait, and then so with the payment structure, obviously he said so whatever it is for, like, say it's at the 200k AED is like the first initial to get like into the allocation. Do you get that is that 200,000 go towards the property, or do they take that as like a fee?
No.
Oh, okay.
Towards the property.
Oh, okay. So you're realistically just putting in for interest, and then it's kind of just going towards the payment.
Yeah, and if you decide against it, say next week you're like, okay, you know what, I changed my mind. You get that 200k back.
Okay, but why would you change your mind though? Like in terms of like,
Some people owe.
and when would you have to opt out of that?
Money for it.
Like when would you realize that you could or didn't have the opportunity to opt out? Like once you gave them the money, like you're locked in.
So once you choose on the unit, so the allocations are next week.
Yes.
Once you have that meeting, you say, okay, I want to go ahead with this. After that, you can't change your mind. Of
Okay.
course.
Okay. Once you're like signed on the contract,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
But before that, you can't, of course.
Okay.
I mean, a property like this, you don't want to. For commercial assets. So say, I don't know what the price was. Did he mention the price?
Of what? The unit?
Of both of those ones.
Yeah, he's up to 10. He said around 10.
No, that was for the corner.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then I think it was 7.5 to 8. Because it was, if it's 22, it was 2,200 square feet we added it to.
I mean,
Because it was for 2,100 to 2,300 square feet. it was 7.85 AED million. I don't know how I remember that, but
Big body. Big body. Cold, still nerves. I'm ready to get it on. Shadow in the back seat. Money in the car. Lights flash, tires burn. Was made to take it on. I don't wait. Big body. Rolling. To the city. And fall. Cold.
so
I've actually never been to that park, you know.
no, nor have I. It's actually quite nice.
I didn't even know they had a parking business bay, I'm not gonna lie. There's not a lot of greenery in this area.
No. So is this technically what a day in your like world looks like for work? In terms of like,
Pretty much so, yeah.
yeah, you're going around just checking up different places
Yeah,
and then,
like I'll go visit these guys when they launch a project, see what they have to offer, and then we'll discuss with my company, see, okay, does the numbers make sense?
so that's not your company. That's someone
that's the builders of
for the company.
for that project.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So those are the people that are building that project.
Yes.
And then we basically buy from them.
Okay.
But yeah, so we'll sit together, we'll then discuss, okay, is this a good opportunity? We'll go through numbers. Based on our like numbers, you're looking at anywhere from 12-13% return onwards,
Okay.
which in Dubai is insane, which in the world is
No,
insane.
that is insane.
London, an average return is about 3%.
Really?
Yeah, 3% is in London, the average return.
Okay.
In Dubai, average is about 7. But for commercial, it's anywhere from 10-15% onwards. Hi, Saeed. Good, how are you? Quick one, you know, for the 2 units, the 06 series, what was the price of them individually and together? A rough estimate. Yeah, okay, the average for these. Okay. Yeah, I know. Just approximately. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, the 06. The one on the side. Okay, thank you. Awesome. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Syed. Awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Fuck, there's no parking.
I was gonna say, what did you just do there?
I'm trying to find parking here.
So what is it? Is this residential one also pre-construction?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is in a location that I think is fucking insane.
Is this where you were telling me on the water?
No.
Oh, different one.
Different one.
Okay.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, so he was like, it's around, let's say between 4 and 4.5 per unit.
Okay, so 9. Give or take 8 or 9.
Give or take 9.
Okay.
It's a 50-50 payment plan. So by handover, you're paying
4.5.
4.5.
And that's
about
over the
$1
course of the next 2 years.
Over the course of the next 2 years, you're paying $1 million, or 1.1, 1.2. Like
Yes. Okay.
Over 2 years. So down payment is what, $100K, I think.
Yeah, it's something like that.
Let's see if they can let me in. Can we park it here? I'm going into this building. In the building.
In the building?
Yes.
Apartment number?
No, the office. What's the office? Select.
Select office. So from here, you will go to the reception.
To the select office.
You know?
I know this, around there. Yeah.
I don't even think he spoke English.
I don't think it's me. It's a residential building.
Yeah, oh, this is residential?
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is just park here.
Yo, that color on that G-Wagon is fucking sick.
The people that live here are rich motherfuckers.
Really? So I heard, so this is Select Group.
This is Select.
Okay, I heard some, I didn't hear, I heard some bad things about them.
About?
I don't know, when I was, because I was looking at property last year while I was here.
Yeah.
And one of my, I guess, like acquaintances, he had just, I guess he had a bad arrangement with, I'd have to follow up with him to actually confirm, but he said to stay away from Select Group.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know if, like, I personally don't know nothing, and he probably could have just been whatever, but that's what he did tell me.
I've had good experiences with them.
Okay.
I've had really good experiences. I mean, that's...
You think I should leave the camera again?
So this is the building, and we're going to be taking the front and the highest floor penthouses. As you see, the blue are the ones available and the red are the ones sold. When you come to this apartment here, we're going to go to the penthouse duplex across 2 floors, and this is your lower floor layout. So your lower floor layout, you're entering from here, the main entrance. You will have directly full glass facade overlooking the terrace and towards the water. And then here, this is your open space of living room, dining room, and you have a private pool of yours towards the terrace as well, overlooking the Burj Khalifa skyline. You will have a guest bedroom on the side, which is like a private bedroom. It could be also a master bedroom because it's on the side. And then you have 2 bedrooms here on this side, and then you go up the staircase, you will reach the other floor where you will also have another 1 bedroom, which is a master bedroom by itself on the 2nd floor. So there's 1 big bedroom on the 2nd floor, then the other 3 bedrooms on the lower floor. It's a beautiful size, around 6,200 square feet in total. And then the view that you're going to get is actually the highest and best view that you can get in the whole tower, because you're overlooking from the front the beautiful skyline of Miras, and this will be your middle front view of all the sides of the bedrooms and the apartment, which will see the Burj Khalifa full skyline and the full water view. And this is here during the day as well, so you're going to get this from the front directly and the full skyline. And since it's a corner unit where it has, 2 sides, 2 views, this will be your side view as well of the promenade and the water from this side also. So this is what you're going to get for the penthouse. It's a beautiful price, around 22 million dirhams. And I'll send you the calculation in just a minute.
Okay. Is currently the next morning. I did end up passing the fuck out after I went out for dinner, and I did not pick the camera back up. I think from what we did do yesterday, the video should have some pretty good, some purpose. We did go end up viewing 1 commercial property and 1 penthouse, and yeah, it was pretty much just a regular day in the life. I did not end up taking that trade as well. Unfortunately, did not hit my entry, but I'm going to update and show you how this played out right now and how you could have profited on this, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, taking a look at yesterday. Obviously, I was looking for sells from around, like I mentioned, range high. I was looking for the swing failure pattern. Unfortunately, did not give. We were looking for lower levels. I mentioned first take profit would have been 77,000, which would have been the daily. We would have reconvened to then base our opinion to either close the position or look for range low, and we were given range low. Unfortunately, I did not actually get in this sell. I have not taken a trade on this week, but just to show you, I did a bit of the right market perception and bias. For me, that's all right. Didn't lose nor make money, so I am okay. But yeah, that's fairly much it. If you guys want to learn a little bit more in depth and see these trades all live, join the Discord, link in bio. And yeah, I guess with that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna have tons more content coming. I'm just kind of getting in the realm of things, trying to feel for the camera, I guess. And I look like shit right now, but I really don't care. But yeah, okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. I will be heading to Australia within the next few weeks here. Australia, Bali, back to Dubai. Yeah, and then we'll plan a couple trips. Big Euro trips coming up this summer. Monaco, F1. It's gonna be a big fucking year. I'm excited, I'm scaling. Alrighty, that's gonna wrap things up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.